I'm not afraid to admit it. I'm one of the biggest members of the Bol Bol fan club. I legit thought that when Bol Bol
I am the monster you created. You ripped out all my parts. And worst of all, for me to live, I gotta kill the part of me that saw. And I needed you more. I hope you know we had everything.
Words I myself said last week. We all have to pause if Kyrie Irving returns because we understand what that immediately elevates the Brooklyn Nets to. But I got somebody else that's returning, and that would be Klay Thompson. And let me tell you something, Jalen Rose. Okay. You talk about Klay Thompson with Steph Curry. The way Golden State is coached, the way that they play defense, with the elevation of Jordan.
Will told me on Get Up this morning that right now he thinks Kevin Durant, not Steph, is the MVP of the league. Wilbon, what do you think?
I'm not going to fight him over that. It's one of those two guys. And Kevin Durant's doing something. They're missing so many